The future of Metal Raceway is here, the product of a talented multidisciplinary team, and the answer to requests from architects, engineers, and contractors. It's the new Designer Series 4000, the next generation of Metal Raceway from Wiremold Legrand, offering improved aesthetics, downward-facing connectivity, one-third more wiring capacity, reduced installation time, fewer parts to inventory, improved obstacle avoidance, 10 gig ready features, and much more. DS4000 changes the game completely. Downward-facing receptacles provide a cleaner, sleeker appearance. Adjust-to-fit couplings offer more lateral adjustment of the raceway base to minimize cutting. Activations are easier to install. Obstacle avoidance fittings and offset fittings make installation much easier and faster. Standard bend radius controls allow for fiber-ready, industry-leading 2-inch radius. And many other functional and aesthetic features raise the bar in Metal Raceway design. Yet the Wiremold Designer Series 4000 remains competitively priced, just what you'd expect from the leader in Metal Raceway. To speed installation and minimize the number of cuts required, Wiremold DS4000 Raceway features a unique adjust-to-fit design. When a section of base is to be installed, only tin snips are needed to cut the base at the pre-notched locations spaced 4 inches apart. The base is then mounted to the wall using pre-drilled hole locations spaced 4 inches apart. The coupling allows up to 4 inches of lateral adjustment to ensure that the next section of the raceway base aligns to the wall framing. The need to precisely cut to fit is completely eliminated, making installation much easier. When cabling is laid into the raceway and the two-piece cover is added, the finished installation looks clean and professional, with greatly reduced installation time. How can you install DS4000 Raceway to create a clean, unbroken look? Easy. Just use Wiremold Legrand's innovative downward-facing power and communications activations. The built-in divider in DS4000 Raceway allows you to run power cabling in the lower channel and communication cabling in the upper channel. With the factory pre-wired option, downward-facing power and communication activations can be placed anywhere they're needed. If you need to place a communication activation from the upper channel, an internal bypass shroud maintains complete separation between surfaces. Wiring from the upper channel enters the shroud through predefined knockouts spaced every 8 inches on the divider. In addition to the factory pre-wired option, universal downward-facing device brackets, which accommodate industry-standard power and data devices, can be easily positioned anywhere on the raceway. DS4000 is designed to make it easier and faster to install activations. First, identify where activations are needed. Wire management clips are pre-installed and can be moved along the raceway base. Screw the receptacle to the device bracket. Hook the bracket onto the raceway base and snap it into place. Mount the raceway cover, allowing a gap for the faceplate. Lastly, snap the activation cover onto the raceway. A fast, easy, and very clean installation. Installing standard NEMA plates is just as easy. Snap the mounting bracket into place at the desired location. Install the raceway covers. Add the faceplate. Mount the device on the faceplate. And add a standard NEMA plate. Again, fast, easy, and clean. Wiremold Legrand 4000 Designer Series Raceway is designed to solve problems and meet the most demanding wiring and cabling requirements. The DS4000 system's industry-leading fiber-ready and 10 gig ready 2-inch bend radius fittings exceed fiber optic, UTP, STP, and TIA 569 requirements, as well as emerging 10 gig over copper applications. That means that 90-degree turns from vertical to horizontal, as well as other installation obstacles, are not a problem. Bend radius fittings in flat elbows, external elbows, internal elbows, and even downward-facing receptacles provide the flexibility needed for fast, easy, clean installations that meet stringent user requirements. Every installation presents its own challenges. That's why 4000 Designer Series Raceway was designed to meet those challenges with innovative features that speed installation. When small obstacles, such as existing vertical raceway, conduit, or water pipes are present, DS4000 gives you the flexibility you need. Where raceway base needs to be interrupted by an existing small obstruction, allow an 8 to 12-inch space between base sections. Then simply install a transition coupling and screw it to the base. Install an internal shroud to cover the obstacle and isolate cabling. Install the raceway covers, then snap the obstacle avoidance cover into place. Fast, easy, and flexible. The same fitting allows for smaller raceway offsets, such as Wiremold V2400 series and 500 series metal raceways. Wiremold Legrand Designer Series 4000. Innovative, versatile, easier to install, easier to stock. Built for the toughest applications and designed to blend beautifully in any environment. It's the metal raceway architects, engineers, and contractors have wanted. It's the raceway customers will ask for by name. From the company that invented metal raceway, Wiremold Legrand.